Hi there! Today's video is the last part of our how to customize your 42-line digital planner tutorial series, which is about how to style your planner. First, we'll talk about color coding your notes and stickers. Then we will get into the details of how to decorate your planner. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 of this tutorial series, check out the links up here. Part 1 is about the initial steps of personalizing your planner, and part 2 is about how to customize the templates in the planner. Okay, now let's get started with part 3. As we're going to style the planner today, I don't want to limit your creativity and imagination. I'll use a neutral theme of 42-line Minimalist Digital Planner in today's demo. Okay, let's talk about color coding in the planner. Using different colors in your notes can help you quickly sift through information. A very commonly used approach is to use different colors for different types of information. For example, in part 1 of this tutorial, I use different colors to distinguish between different tasks in the weekly planner. So when I go through all the information, I know what I'm looking for. You may ask what colors I should use. There are some colors we tend to associate with particular things. For example, we tend to associate red with important or urgent tasks. But at the end of the day, I think it's really about how you associate colors with things. If you need some inspirations, check out the pastel color palette and boho color palette in our freebie library. They match our pastel and boho themed planners. Okay, in this demo, I'll use the boho color palette to plan out a monthly calendar. First, I write down the personal tasks and shade them in a brownish color. And I write down the work tasks and shade them in a greenish color. Okay, now I want to use some icon stickers to remind myself of the routine tasks. I personally like icon stickers because they are great simple tools to organize information without making my planner too clustered. For instance, the grocery sticker tells me when I need to do groceries, and they don't necessarily take up too much space of the planner. Also, these stickers match the boho theme, so using stickers from the same color palette is also a way to make your planner look aesthetically pleasing. Okay, now let's get to how we can decorate the planner. Planning isn't just about getting things done, it can be fun as well. Here's what our monthly spread will look like after our decoration. So first, we'll play with the heading using a different font. This font is called Moon Mary from Fontesk. It's free for personal use. There are lots of beautiful fonts on this website, and some are free for commercial use as well. I'll put the download link to the font I use in this demo in the description. Okay, now I'll walk you through how to install a font on your iPad. Firstly, you need to download a font installer app. The one I use is iFont. It does the job and it's free. After you have font installer downloaded, download the font and save it to the Files app. Click the zip file to unzip it. Click the Share button and find the iPhone icon and click on it. You'll see the font we just added here. Click Install, Allow, Close. Then follow the instructions here. So basically, we go to Settings and find Profile Downloaded and click Install. If you can't find this option, you can search for Profile Downloaded. There should be a prompt to ask you to install the font here. Okay, this is how we can install fonts on iPad. Let's go back to our planner. create a background color sticker to cover the original heading. Now let's use the text tool to type March and choose the font we just installed. You can search for the font name if you can't find it. Then adjust the font size and spacing. To spice up the heading a little bit, I can use the highlighter to add a bit of color like so. Or I can use a brush sticker instead. Okay, it looks pretty good to me now. Let's move it to where the heading was. Next, I want to add some inspirational pictures. I generally go to Pinterest or Pinterest. You can go to Instagram, Canvas, etc. You can definitely add your own photos if you like. Lastly, I want to add a few decorative stickers to make the planner look the way I like. Here's another website where you can find free cute pictures, Pixabay. Let me try to find some watercolor flowers. This one looks really cute. Let me save it to my Photos app first. Now let's insert this picture to our planner. We'll need to do a few croppings as we just want this bit and that bit. Tap the picture and crop. Make sure you choose freehand down here. Trace this flower. Done. Now we got the flower we want. Let's put it here. Okay, let's do this again. This time, I want to take out this leafy bit. Let's put it here. Alright, this is how you can style your planner. Now we finished our digital planner customization tutorial series. I hope you find these videos helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I would love to know how you style your planner. Please share your thoughts and creativity. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.